Okay. Now, all of you guys, mali. Bakit hindi banana? Banana, guys, banana is part of their diet. Okay? Anong Tagalog ng monkey? Anong paborito prutas ng monkey? Anong Tagalog ng 8? Si Vivian ay isang 8 o Arnold ay isang 8. Ang Tagalog ng 8 ay sumundo. Anong paborito prutas ng mga sumundo? Na ito'y nagsisimula sa letter D. At matatagpuan sa Davao City. Yan. Okay, now, to help you guys describe yung durian na prutas, paano nyo i-describe the word? Okay, now durian. Of course, it smells like hell, but it tastes like?
Heaven.
Heaven. It smells like hell, but it tastes like heaven. Now guys, we are very intelligent indeed. Okay? And of course, mamaya may pinapatanong si Ate Gideon, but for now, kailangan namin ng volunteer. Okay? Now, to go here inside, Tommy, yours. Okay, now, teacher na lalaki. Teacher na lalaki. Sir. Sir, let's go here. Sir, let's go here. Sir. And of course, parents na may anak. Parents na may anak. Parents na may anak. Please, go here.
Ako.
Parents na may anak. Sige na po. We are ready. Mamili ka na.
Ako, kuya.
Ang sa akin ay teacher.